So finding the right revision technique for you can be a little bit daunting, but I'm going to show you one that really helped me when I was revising. It's called Blurting, but don't worry, I'm going to take you along for the ride and show you everything that you need to do. So the first step in this process is to get any revision material that you need. So I'm just going to use a pen, a highlighter, a piece of paper, but you could use your notepad as well. Then I'm going to write down everything I need to know and can remember about the topic that I'm revising. So I'm just going to do that now. And remember, this technique is called blurting, so you're literally blurting everything out onto the paper that you can remember about the topic. It doesn't need to be neat, it can be a bit messy if you need it to be. So now I've got my page of notes and I'm going to look in my textbook and see if there's anything that I've forgotten that I need to add as well. So I noticed there are a few little things that I forgot, so I've added them at the bottom of my page. And to help me remember them even more, I'm going to do some past exam papers on them, or I'm going to look at some extra reading just so it can really stick in my mind. Once you've done all this, repeat the process over and over again until you're able to write down everything that you need to know about the topic that you're revising. This technique will probably be better towards the later stages of your revision process, just so you have all of the content that you need in order to remember and write this stuff down. Also, it's really important to remember to have breaks during your revision process. If you don't have these times of relaxation, it's going to be really hard to focus when you need to.